ASHA Parekh, actress, director, and producer. She was one of the successful and highest paid actresses of her time. She was also honored with the Padma Shri Award by Government of India. Front fringes, high made-up, huge bun, single side flower, wide eyebrows, winged liner, dramatic blush shades, bright color lip shades, side stuck curl, designer saree with matching sleeveless blouse, and all blingy chokers. These were the fashion trends of North Indian cinema in 1960s. J.JAYALALITHA, actress and former CM of Tamil Nadu. She was widely known as Amma and Purachit Talaivi. She served 6 times as Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. She is definitely a nine lady who inspires many women. Curvy, uplifted eyebrows with winged liner, colorful round bordered puttu, side parting huge bun, side curl with one side flower, thin strapped watch, traditional jewelries, headscarf and goggles were the perfect duo for a long drive. These were the 1960s fashion trends of South India.